In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to become a merchant on the Kucoin exchange platform, particularly focusing on the P2p zone. This guide will walk you through the essential steps needed to successfully navigate the process and enjoy the benefits of being a merchant on Kucoin. Let's dive in. To begin with, you'll need to visit the Kucoin website. This is the central hub where all the action takes place. Simply open your preferred web browser and head over to Kucoin's homepage. Once you're there, locating the option to log in is your next step. Look for a login button, often prominently placed on the top right corner of the page. Clicking on this button will take you to the login page where you can enter your username and password. If you're not already a registered user, you might need to sign up and create an account first before proceeding further. Once you're successfully logged in and back at the Kucoin homepage, the next part of the journey is to access the P2p trading section. This is where you'll engage in buying and selling cryptocurrencies directly with other users, bypassing the usual exchange processes. Direct your attention to locating the option titled Buy USDT with USD under the P2p trading section. Click on it and it should guide you to the relevant page. As you land on the P2p page, your next step is to seek out the merchant program. This program is crucial as it allows you to be recognized as a verified merchant on the Kucoin platform, granting you access to various features and opportunities exclusive to merchants. After you click on the merchant program, look for the section titled Merchant Benefits. Clicking on it will provide you with detailed information about the advantages of becoming a merchant. These benefits could include lower fees, increased visibility, and perhaps even access to exclusive trading tools that are aimed at enhancing your trading experience. Understanding these benefits is vital, as they will aid in maximizing your experience as a merchant. Having soaked in all the information, your final step is to click on the Apply button. This action is your declaration of intent to join the ranks of Kucoin merchants. Make sure you carefully follow any subsequent instructions, filling out any required forms or verifying your identity as needed to complete the application process. And there you have it. By following these steps, you should be well on your way to becoming a merchant on Kucoin's P2p zone. Remember, each step is designed to ensure security and efficiency on the platform, making your trading experience both rewarding and seamless. Thank you for joining me today, and I hope this guide has been helpful. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more insightful tutorials.